In this video, we'll talk about object and JSON operations. So there are many operations you can perform on the object, but the most common ones are object.keys and object.values. So object.keys extract all the properties exist in an object and in the array format, and object.values extract all the values exist in that particular object in the array format. Then we have JSON. So JSON stands for the JavaScript object notation. JSON is a lightweight format for storing and transporting the data. So mostly whenever we pass the data from LWC to Apex, we send the data in the JSON format. So to convert the JSON into a string, so JSON basically it's a form of object only. Okay, so JSON, if you want to convert an object into the string, you use JSON.stringify, and you want to convert the string of an object to an object, we use JSON.parse. So let's go to our VS Code and see this. So let's create an object. I'll say let obj. Objects usually have many property. I'll say name, Salesforce, age 23, date of birth 23/10/1990, and it should be in the string format. So I'll just wrap it with the quotes. What else you want to add? You can add as many things as you want. So now our object is ready. So the first operation is object.keys. So I want to extract all the keys that are existing in this object. The keys are the properties name, age, and DOB. So I just want to check what all properties are available. So to do that, what I can do is I'll just call my method object.keys and pass the object from where you want to extract the keys, and it immediately returns the array of the keys. Okay, so this is very helpful in LWC when you have a big object and you want to make sure a particular property exists or not, or you want to loop around the object. This operation will help you. The other way is object.values, and we're gonna say console.log object.values of the object. So object.keys returns all the properties in the array format, and the values return all the values in the array format. So these two operations are very commonly used, so you just need to remember this. Apart from that, we have JSON.stringify. So now I have an object and I want to send it or convert this object into a string format. My server is expecting me to send an object in the string format. I can say simply say JSON.stringify convert to stringify, and what need to stringify? An object. So now you see it automatically convert into the string format. And now if you want to convert it back from the string format, so I'll do one thing. First we'll convert this and store this. I'll say let str equal to, and we'll print string format of object, and now we'll convert back into the object format using the parse operation. Parse operation do the reverse of string. We'll say console.log JSON.parse, and what we need to parse? We need to parse our string that we have, and now it convert this particular string into an object back. So this is the operation that JSON.parse does. So these are the 4 operations that you need to remember. So in the next video, we'll talk about the array methods, and that are the heart of LWC, I would say, or JavaScript programming. And there you're gonna learn very interesting looping system and all. So I'll see you in the next video.